On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make money on Store24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing any money. This method is beginner friendly, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. I'll be showing you the product that you have to promote. I'll also be showing you the traffic source that you can use to promote the product so that you can be making money on Store24. So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join Store24. Store24 is an affiliate marketplace where you can find many digital products to promote and earn a commission anytime you get a sale. Store24 is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can create an account on the platform and then begin to promote products. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you are going to click right here marketplace so that you can find digital products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see they have business and investment, computer and internet, dance and music, dating, love and relationships, e-marketing, education, family and case, and many others. So when I scroll down, you can see a lot of different other categories of digital products that you can promote. Any of them that you want, you can click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to find a whole lot of different digital products that you can promote and then earn a commission. There are many of them. As a school, you can see many different products that you can promote. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a physical product. So you are going to scroll down and then click on physical products. Once you click on it, you can see they have skincare products and supplements. You are going to be promoting supplements, so click on supplements. Once you click on supplements, when you scroll down, you can see this is a supplement that you can promote to earn money from home. The commission rate is $104.51 per every sale that you get. When you scroll down, there is another product that you can promote. The commission rate is $110.15. That is the amount that you are going to earn per sale that you generate. There are a lot of them, so as a school you can see many of them that you can promote to make money from home. As a school you can see a whole lot of them that you can promote. Most of these products, they have a higher commission rate, so even if you get one sale, you are going to be making up to $100 or $50 per day. If you want, you can click on page 2, page 3, and you are going to find a whole lot of different products that you can promote to earn money. In this case, I'm going to show you a product that is trending so that you can promote it now and then make money. So click on page 2. Once you click on page 2, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see tonic greens. This product, you are going to be earning $100 per every sale that you get. The best part is that this product is trending. Most people are getting sales anytime they promote it. You can find the data right here. Cut conversion rate is 16%. That means every 100 people that you promote the product to, you are going to get up to 16% of the people buying the product. So this is one of the best products that you can promote. You can see the cancellation rate is only 5.9%. That is very low. Don't worry about the cancellation rate, because the most important thing is the cut conversion. Once many people are buying it, even if some people cancel it, you are still going to be making money. Once you have selected the product, the next step is that you are going to begin promoting it. To promote it, you have to first of all look at the sales page of the product so that you can get some basic information about it. So click right here, sales page. Once you click on sales page, you can see they have a video that our potential customers have to watch before they decide to purchase the product. You can see this is a video, so when you click on the speaker, you are going to hear the sound in the video. This video was made by experienced marketers, so they have a lot of information in the video that can convince people to buy the product for us to make money. The best part is that the shipping is free. You can see free shipping, free shipping, free shipping. So anytime people buy it, they are going to enjoy free shipping. And you can see a whole lot of different information about the product. As a school, you can see many details about the product. So now once you get to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link. You can see this is my affiliate link, so you have to click on it so that you can also get your affiliate link. If you are new to the product, you are not going to see your affiliate link, you will see something like this promoting. Now once you see something like this, click on it so that you can generate your affiliate link. In this case, I have my affiliate link. So now once the affiliate link is ready, the next step is that you have to drive traffic to this link so that you can get many people to buy it. You have to get people who click on this link and then purchase the product. The product is about how to boost your immune system. That is what the product is going to do. The product is going to help people to boost their immune system. So you have to find people who are ready to buy a health product like this so that you can be making money. If you want, you can use paid traffic sources like Facebook, YouTube ads, Google ads so that you can get the right people to click on your link and then purchase the product. In this case, I'm going to be showing you a free traffic source that you can use to get the right people to click on your link and then purchase the product. Once you use the free traffic source and then get a sale, you can then use the paid method so that you can be generating money every day promoting this product. The traffic source that we are going to be using is adlandpro.com. This website is a classified website that you can use to promote your products to any part in the world. You can see they have a category in health, electronics, customer service, internet, computers, sales, business development. Any kind of product that you have, you can promote it on this platform and you are going to get the right people to click on it so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. The best part is that you can target any country that you want. You can see it is currently showing Canada as. If you want, you are going to click right here. Once you click on it, you can select any country that you want. As you can see, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Poland, and the rest. Any part of the world that you want, you can use this website to target that country. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be targeting the tier 1 countries. You can see they are at the top. See United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand. So you are going to target one of these countries. You can see in the United States, the ads are many. You can see the United Kingdom, the ads are many. So when you post an ad, the possibility of us getting many people to click on it might be low because the ads are many. So you can select either Canada, Australia, or New Zealand. Any of these countries that we want, you can select them and then promote our ads because the ads there is very low. You don't have to select the developing countries because most of the people who live there do not have the purchasing power to buy the product for us to make money. We are going to be selecting countries where the people who live in that country have the purchasing power to buy the products for us to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can promote the product on this website. To create an account, you are going to click right here, register. Once you click on it, you are going to enter your details so that you can get access to a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to create your ad. To create an ad, you are going to click right here, create free ad. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. The first step is that you have to select a category. In this case, our product is about how to boost the immune system. That is a health product, so you have to click on it and then find the health category. You can see these are a lot of different categories. Click on for sale. Once you click on for sale, you are now going to select the subcategory. This is where you are going to select health. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to find the health category. So just scroll down and then find the health category. You can see health, special needs, you can see nutrition. So just scroll down and then look at all of them. Now if you want, you can select the health or the nutrition. Any of them that you want, you can select it since they are about health. So select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select nutrition, so click on it. Once you select the subcategory, the next step is that you are going to select the location. You want to select where you want your ad to be shown. So you are going to click on select a city. Once you click on select a city, what you have to do is that you have to change the country. So click on it and then search for any country that you want. In this case, we are going to select Canada. So search for Canada. You can see this is the C category. So you can see Canada right here. Click on it. Once you select Canada, the next step is that you are going to select a region and then a city. So click on it and then select any region that you want. In this case, I'm going to select Ontario. Once you select a region, you have to select a city. So click on it and then select any city that you want. Just select any city in Ontario. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. Once you select the country, the region, and the city, the next step is that you're going to click right here OK. Once you click on OK, you can see everything has changed. The country is now Canada. You can see the region and the city. So everything has been changed. Once you select the city, you can see place your ad in Ottawa. If you want, you can select that. You can see get more exposure and put your ad in Ontario. So if you want to select the whole region, you can click on it. You can see get the most exposure and show it in all Canada. If you want, you can select that. I want to show the ad in all over Canada, so click on it. Once you click on it, your ad is going to be shown to all parts of Canada, not only the region or the city. So select the third option. Once that is done, you are going to give a headline. You are going to give a title to your ad. Just type any catchy headline that will grab people's attention to click on your link. Once you enter your headline, the next step is that you are going to write a description. I know most of you are not from English speaking countries, so if you cannot write your own description, what you have to do is that you have to come on Google. Once you come on Google, search for tonic greens review. That is the name of the product. Once you search for the review, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Do not click on the ads, just scroll down and then look for any of the reviews that you want. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can select any of the reviews that you want. In this case, I'm going to choose this website, so click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the article has opened. What you have to do is that you have to copy this as your description. So just highlight and then copy this text as your description. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. Just paste the description. As you can see, that has been done. That is the description of the product. Once you paste your description, you are going to scroll down. You can see ad expiring. When do you want your ad to expire? If you want your ad to expire in 3 months time, you can do that. If you want your ad to expire in 2 months, you can select that. 3 months, you can select that. 6 months, you can select that. It depends on your choice. In this case, I'm going to select 1 month. Just select 1 month. Since you are an affiliate, you have to keep on updating your affiliate links. Some of the products, the cookie duration is not beyond 1 month, so make sure you select 1 month. Once the ad expires, you have to renew it with a new affiliate link so that you can keep on getting results. Once that is done, you can see website address URL. This is where you are going to paste your unique affiliate link. So you have to come back on Teespring. Once you come back on Teespring, highlight and copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to search for tinyurl.com. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Paste your affiliate link here so that you can shorten it, because it looks ugly and it does not look like a genuine link. So just paste it right here. Once you paste it, click on shorten URL. Once you click on it, you can see it has been shortened. Click here, copy. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, you can see the next step is your phone number. If you want, you can enter your phone number. You can see the cell phone, the price, any of them that you want, you can enter it here. In this case, I'm going to enter the price of the product. You have to come back on this total info so that you can get the price of the product. You can see price average. This is the price of the product. So highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, we are going to come back and then paste it here. As you can see, that has been done. Let's delete the currency. As you can see, that has been done. So this is the price of the product. Once you paste the price, the next step is that you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, you can see you can add a number of pictures to your ad. So you have to upload images of the product. To get images of the product, what you have to do is that you have to come back on this total info. Once you come back, you are going to click here, affiliate support page. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. On this page, you can get a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. You can see affiliate resources. They have email swipes that you can use to promote the product. As a school, you can see a whole lot of different email swipes that you can use to promote the product. You can see right here, product images. These are the images of the product. So now what you have to do is that you have to download them. To download an image, just click on it. Once you click on it, right click on the image, select save image as. Once you click on that, click on save so that the image can be saved. Once you save the image, you are going to come back on your ad and then click on add photo. Once you click on it, click on choose file. Once you click on choose file, select your image, click on open. You can see the image has been uploaded. Click here, add photo. As you can see, this is the image of the product. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you can see they have different options for you. If you want to promote your ad on the platform, you can select any of these options. You can see they have premium options that you can select. any of them that you want, you can select it. So just scroll down, any of them that you want, you can select it. In this case, I'm going to select no thanks, not today. Once that is done, you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, you can see congratulations, your ad is finished and can now be seen by other users. Free ads may be delayed by 24 hours. Within 24 hours or less, your ad is going to be posted onto the platform so that you can get people who live in Canada to click on your link and then purchase the product for you to make money. If you want to upgrade it, you can upgrade it so that you can be getting many people who see your ad and then purchase the product for you to make money. So make sure you go and post different ads onto the platform so that you can be making money. Do not duplicate one ad many times. Select different products and then post them on the platform so that you can be making money from home. Do not post one product over and over and over. If you do that, it will be an ad duplicate and your account is going to be suspended. So make sure you select a different product, post it onto the platform so that you can be driving free traffic to your affiliate links. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.